Hey there, it's Irina Z, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a constant contact step in your follow-up funnel. So first, what you're going to want to do is connect your constant contact account, which I have done right over here via API. You're going to want to be logged into your constant contact account for this to work. So what you would do is go ahead and add a new integration, type in constant contact right over here, select over API, and then give it a nickname and connect the integration. And like I mentioned, you're going to want to be logged into your account at the same time. Once you have completed this, you're going to want to go over to your follow-up funnels, and we're going to go ahead and use a demo follow-up funnel that we're already working with. Or you could go ahead and add a new follow-up funnel. So I'll just go ahead into this one right here, and I'm going to add a step for constant contact. So I'm going to go ahead, add new step, and I'm going to look for constant contact. You could either scroll and look for it, or you could go ahead and type it in. And once I've done that, the next thing that's going to happen is you're going to get to this screen where you're going to go ahead and select the constant contact API action. So my API action is going to be adding to a list, and I'm going to go ahead and click continue. As you could see, the account that I had previously connected via API will show up right here, and it'll be checked off with a little green check. If you have not connected your constant contact account by this point, you'll be able to do so by connecting an account right over here, clicking this yellow button. So since we have it integrated already, I'll just go ahead right here and save and continue. On this next page, what you're going to do is set up the constant contact API action. So you're going to give it a name. You will choose when to trigger this action. So you could delay it any hours or days that you want to. For example purposes, we're just going to go ahead and keep it at 0. And we're going to select a list for this action to add customers to. Now, as you can see, there's two optional features here. There's the push window optional feature, which gives you the ability to set specific times to show this message to your audience. So you could go ahead and add a push window to this action. And there's also an add a filter rule, which is also an optional feature. By default, we'll send everyone on your list to this step. Or you can restrict this step to contacts that meet a particular set of rules by adding a filter right over here. Now, once you've completed filling all of this out, you'll go ahead and click Save. On this page, what you're going to do is just review all the information that you have just input. For example purposes, this looks exactly like what we just filled out, and I'm going to go ahead and make this live. Now you have successfully set up a follow-up funnel step with constant contact. Now, if you run into any trouble with this, please reach out to our support team. We'd be more than happy to help. Thanks so much.